Hello, my name is Sarah Morris and I'm a local Las Vegas estate planning and probate attorney. Today I wanted to talk about tips and tricks to avoid probate. Let's first talk about what probate is. Probate is the court process of transferring a deceased person's assets to the rightful heirs. So most people want to avoid this, and there's lots of different ways to avoid it. It depends on your assets. There are some simple ways to avoid it and some more complex plans that you can put in place to avoid it depending on your situation. Today I just wanted to talk about simple things you can do to avoid at least some assets being handled by the probate court. Number one, most people have bank accounts. If you have a bank account, then what you need to make sure you do is designate a POD, payable upon death beneficiary designation. This is done at the bank, so you can ask the bank for the form and you can tell the bank you want to designate a beneficiary in the event you pass away. It's a very easy thing. You don't need an attorney, just something you should be doing regardless. Number two, and most people may know this, but if you have IRAs, 401ks, retirement accounts of any sort, you should have or should designate a beneficiary to get the proceeds in the event you pass away. So just make sure. What happens is a lot of people designate a beneficiary and then that person predeceases, or they no longer are with that person, or they're mad at that person. Make sure you keep your beneficiary designations updated so that in the event something happens, the right people get those assets. Those are two main tricks you can use to avoid at least some of your assets going through the probate court. If you want to talk about how to make sure that everything you have does not go through probate, please feel free to give my office a call. I offer complimentary 15-minute phone consults. You can book directly online on my website, or you can call us and schedule from there. Until next time, I'll see you later.